Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word actually. So in my previous video I taught you the common error, the word actual, but in this video the word is a bit different, actual or actually. So let's start. So there are two examples I have given here. So the first example is, I never get bored by this city. Actually, each time I return, I find something new to interest me. So you can see here I use the word actually. So what wrong is here? So this is actually a common error. So the right answer is, I never get bored by this city. In fact, each time I return to find something new to interest me. Use this one. In fact, I never get bored by this city. In fact, each time I return, I find something new to interest me. Use always in fact each time. So what is the logic that I use the in fact instead of the actually? So when actually, when you want to use actually, actually, actually means it is usually used to a correct misunderstanding. So actually it is usually used to correct a misunderstanding. This is the actually means to correct a misunderstanding. So as an example, people think we have got lots of money, but actually we are quite poor. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. Well, actually I have only just arrived. Okay, so I hope you understood. So when you simply want to develop a previous statement, use in fact. In fact meaning when you simply want to develop a previous statement. That time you use in fact or as a matter of fact. As an example, in winter of in fact or as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact or in fact. As an example, the winter of 1964 was extremely bad. In fact, most people says it was the was to enter in living memory. So most people say it was the rose to enter in living morning. This company is doing very well. As a matter of fact, our sales have doubled. Okay, so I hope you understood. So the next one, we need to produce and export more than we do actually. So you can see I use the word actually here. So this is the common error or grammatical mistake. So what is correct answer? The correct answer is we need to produce and export more than we do at present. This is the correct. So we need to produce and export more than we do at present. So what is the logic that I use the at present instead of the actual? The main logic is when you mean at the present time, use at present. Okay, when you mean at the present time, use at present or at the moment. When you so at the moment or at present, the meaning, it is the meaning of at the present time, at the moment or at present. So as an example, at present the company is very short of staff. At present, so you can see I use at present. So at the moment, at present, or you can use currently. At the moment, at present, or currently. So at the moment I am working part-time in a travel agency. So I am working in garage. So currently I am working, or you can say that at the moment I am working, currently I am working part-time in a garage, in a small garage, you can see. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.